oketo okenge mag thiro yedhe makelo mer. Jolwenyo weche mag pach dhano komakore kod counties ma Trans Nzoia dhi nyime kod tayo okenge ma kedo kod yedhe ma mero ji. Ka gilose kinde yawo kar loso ariyo oganda ma otiyo kod yedhe ma mero ji ma osebamo ngimagi mong'ere kaka Biocide Recovery Center ten county ma Trans Nzoia osingo madhi nyime gi okenge mano ni odwok piny midhiero ma ikelo kod yedhe ma mero ji ma bende nitiere county no. Gisingo tiyo machiegni kod bede migepe mamoko mag piny owacho mamalo ni lweny mar kedo kod yedhe go kamoting'o ohand kong'o machiko kopuodho otieki.
Rejected until I even rejected myself. Nilikuwa naishi a day at a time. Ikawa ya kwamba imefika mahali hadi nikakuwa na shida ya mgongo. Watu wanakunyonga pombe wanakuwa na shida ya kichwa, akili, kichaa. Lakini mimi ilikuwa mgongo. Addiction can be overcome if somebody has the genuine commitment and the seriousness of avoiding it.
To those of us representing our county governments, I think there has to be a conversation. This is a concept, this is an idea. And I think in the US, those services are even provided in the homes. Uko nyumbani, si ndio? People are not brought together. Lakini hapa, the way it has been prepared is also a home that is nice. Enye unataka kuja kukaa, hata watu watakatalia hapa. Sijui tutawatoa aje.
Kabla tuwakimbize hapa, Biocide Recovery Center, we can do something called an intervention. Show them love. Thank you so much, Waziri. The way you said, show them love. When they see love, that's when they're going to realize, oh my